This video will be seeing about the constrictor muscles of the pharynx. They are the superior constrictor, middle constrictor and inferior constrictor. This is the superior constrictor muscle. Its origin is the pterygoid hamulus, pterygomandibular raphe, medial surface of the mandible at the upper end of mylohyoid line, side of posterior part of the tongue. The middle constrictor is a fan-shaped muscle which originates from the lower part of stylohyoid ligament, lesser cornu of hyoid bone, and the upper border of greater cornu of hyoid bone. Then the inferior constrictor muscle, it has two fibers, thyropharyngeus and cricopharyngeus. Thyropharyngeus originates from the oblique line on lamina of the thyroid cartilage, the tendinous band between the thyroid tubercle and the cricoid cartilage. The cricopharyngeus originates from the cricoid cartilage. All the constrictors of the pharynx have common insertion, that is the median fibrous raphe. Here we can see the middle constrictor muscle clearly. We'll see the structures passing through the gaps in the pharyngeal wall. In the diagram, we'll see the structures passing between the base of the skull and the upper concave border between the of the superior constrictor muscle. This gap is also called the sinus of Morgagni. The structures passing between them are the auditory tube, levator palati muscle, ascending palatine artery, the palatine branch of ascending pharyngeal artery. The structures passing between the superior and middle constrictors are the stylopharyngeus muscle and the glossopharyngeal nerve. The structure passing between the middle and inferior constrictors are the internal laryngeal nerve and the superior laryngeal vessels. The structure passing between the lower border of inferior constrictor and the esophagus are the recurrent laryngeal nerve and the inferior laryngeal artery. All the constrictor muscles are supplied by the vagoaccessory nerve except the stylopharyngeus, which is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve. All the six muscles of the pharynx are supplied by the all the muscles of the pharynx except the stylopharyngeus are supplied by the vagoaccessory nerve. The stylopharyngeus is supplied by the glossopharyngeal